Hi, good morning students. Today in class 12 we are going to discuss some more questions based on application of integral. So let us begin. The first question, this is most important question also. Most important question. Okay, using the method of integration, find the area of a triangle ABC whose coordinates of vertices. Using the method of integration, find area of triangle ABC whose coordinates of vertices are given by A 4,1, B 6,6 and C is 8,4. Now you have to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given 4,1, 6,6 and 8,4. So see the solution. First of all, we write the vertices of the triangle. We will get x, y, x dash and y dash. Using the method of integration, we have to find the area of this particular triangle. So see 4,1, maybe this is the 4,1. Okay, 4,1 and then 6,6, maybe that side this is 6,6 and then 8,4, that means there is 8,4, this is 8,4. So A, B and C join these vertices, we will get this triangle. Okay, now we have to find the area of this triangle using method of integration. Okay, so first of all we find the perpendicular here, this particular and this. Okay, supposed to be L, M and N. So see, area of the required triangle is nothing but area of triangle ABC is nothing but, see, if we find area of trapezium ALMB, okay, area of trapezium ALMB, see this area ALMB, okay, and now plus area of MNCB, area of trapezium MNCB, that means area of this trapezium area of this trapezium, okay, and then minus of area of trapezium, what, LNCA. So we get the area of triangle is, because see, this area plus this area minus this area, you will get area of triangle ABC. Okay, but for finding these area we need equation of the line AB, equation of the line BC, and equation of the line AC. Why? Because area of this ALMB is nothing but area under the curve or area under the line AB, and area of the trapezium MNCB, this is nothing but area under this line BC, okay, and area of LNCA, this is nothing but area under the line AC. Okay, so first of all we need to find the equation of the line AB, BC and CA. And you know very well what is the equation of line AB, BC and CA. Equation of the line AB is nothing but equation of line passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 6. So note it down, and then we had to write equation of line AB. So note it down, please. Okay, see, equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. Equation of line AB. This is nothing but AB. Y minus Y1. Y minus Y1. This is X1, Y1. Y minus Y1 is equals to M, that is Y2 minus Y1, 6 minus 1 upon 6 minus 4, X minus X1, that is X minus 4. So Y minus 1 is equals to 5 by 2, X minus 5 by 2 into 4, 2 to the 4. So Y minus 1 is nothing but 5 by 2 minus 10. So Y is nothing but 5 by 2x minus of 9. Okay? 5 by 2x minus 9. Similarly, we can find the area of line BC and CA. So area of line BC, that means this BC, and this is nothing but area of line BC is nothing but y is equals to minus x plus 12, and is equation of line. Similarly, equation of line AC, that means CA. What it is? Equation of line AC is 3 by 4, y is equals to 3 by 4x, y is equals to 3 by 4x minus 2. So these are the equations of line. So whatever we written in equation 1, that means area of this AMBA, LMBA, and then or ALMB and BMNC. Okay, so we find, and what is the limit? The main important thing is limit. So if you find the area of trapezium LMBA, so limit is nothing but this point is 4, 0, and this is what, 6, 0, and this is what, 8, 0. Okay, so from 4 to 6. Okay, so directly I am going to write the required area. Okay, so see, the required area is required area is A is equal to, first one is 4 to 6. 4 to 6. What is the line equation of the line? AB equation of the line is 5 by 2x minus 9 dx plus what? Plus 6 to 8 plus 6 to 8. What is the equation of line BC? This is minus x plus 12. Minus x plus 12 dx, and minus of from 4 to 8. 4 to 8. Equation of the line AC. This is nothing but 3 by 4x plus 2. 3 by 4x plus 2 dx. Okay, now you calculate that particular area, you will get the 3 by 4x minus 2, 3 by 4x minus 2. Calculate this particular area, you will get the value. Okay, so what will be the value? See, if you integrate it, you will get A is equals to this limit from 4 to 6. 4 to 6, what it is? 5 by 2x square by 2. That means 5 by 4x square minus 9x plus limit from 6 to 8. 6 to 8, limit from 6 to 8. This is minus x square by 2 plus 12x, and minus of limit from 4 to 8. 4 to 8. What is the value of this? 3 by 8. X square minus 2x. Now put the value, you will get the solution. So area is nothing but, first we put 6. So 5 by 4 into 36 minus 9 into 6. Okay, minus of 5 by 4 into 4 just 16 minus 9 into 4. Okay, plus minus of 8 square, then minus of 64 by 2 plus 12 8s are 96 minus of within bracket minus 46 by 2 plus 72, and then next one is minus of within bracket 3 by 8 into 64 minus 2 into 8 16 within bracket minus 3 by 4 in 3 by 8 into 4 square, that means 16, and minus of 2 into 4 8. Now we calculate it and get the value. 4 9 ja 36, 5 9 ja 45. 45 minus 54. Now we will put the value. A is equals to, I am going to erase the figure, okay, and then write. See, this is 45 minus 54 minus of 20 and 9 4s are 36 plus of 64 minus 64 by 2, that means minus 32 plus 96 within bracket minus of 16 plus 72 minus of 16 plus 72 and then minus of 8 8 64, that means 3 8 24 minus 16 and minus of 8 2 16, 3 2 6 minus 8. Okay, so we calculate it, we will get A is equals to 45 minus 54, this is minus 9 minus 16, so plus 16. Okay, minus 9 plus 16, and this is 64 plus 64 minus of 72 minus 16, 12 6 6, and this is 615. 56 plus 16, 72, so this is minus of plus 56 and negative of, this is 8 minus 6 minus 8 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, and now I am going to raise this one. We will have, see, minus 9 plus 16, 7, 7, and this is 64 minus 56, 8, plus 8, and this is minus 10. So answer is 5 square unit. So this is the area of required triangle. So please note it down. This is 54. Okay. (18 plus 72). So area is 7 square unit. Okay. So calculate it, no problem. Okay. So in this manner, we have to complete this particular area of triangle, and this is a very important question. In NCERT also given to one question in example and one in exercise. So please try to solve the area of a triangle using integration method. So it is a very simple. Sometimes area of triangle whose vertices are given. The question is of the type area of a triangle whose vertices are given, and sometimes find the area of a triangle formed by the line. Equation of line is given. So when equation of line is given, so equation of line is already we have. So the point of intersection of line is nothing but vertices of a triangle. So first you find the point of intersection of line and then vertices of triangle. Understood? When you get vertices, then you get the limit. So again you see the concept. What is the concept? For the finding the area of triangle whose vertices are given, or equation of line is given in which from which triangle is formed. The concept is very easy. See, suppose this is triangle, this is triangle. So you just draw the perpendicular over here and see area of this particular trapezium plus area of this particular trapezium minus area of this trapezium. This is the only concept to find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. Okay, listen carefully. Whenever given triangle, any type of triangle, okay, you just draw the perpendicular from the vertices of that particular triangle, and you will get the three trapeziums such that first, second and third. You add first, second and subtract third one, you will get the area of the required triangle. So thank you for today. Thank you.